In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha Valuation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the key valuation data for any stock and how to make quick, meaningful comparisons against the broader sector. Start by opening Seeking Alpha and navigating to the page for the stock you're interested in. The easiest way is to use the search bar at the top and enter the company's ticker symbol. When you land on the stock's main page, you're in the right place to explore its fundamentals. Next, look to the right-hand side of the page for a section labeled Valuation, or sometimes Ratings or Quant. This panel is designed to surface the most important valuation information without making you dig. If you see a small caret or drop-down arrow, expand it to reveal the full set of metrics. On mobile, this section may appear lower on the page, so scroll until you find it. Inside this valuation, or ratings quant area, you'll see the core valuation metrics displayed in a consistent format. Common ones include the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE, which compares the share price to earnings, enterprise value to EBITDA, or EV/EBITDA, which looks at the company's value relative to its operating cash flow proxy. Price to sales, or PS, which can be useful for younger or unprofitable companies, and price to book, or PB, which compares market value to net assets. The power of this section is the comparison it provides against sector medians. You're not just seeing a number in isolation, you're seeing how that number stacks up relative to peer companies in the same industry group. When interpreting these comparisons, focus on whether a metric is above or below the sector median and by how much. A lower PE or EV/EBITDA than the sector median can suggest the stock is trading at a discount, while a higher multiple can signal a premium. Keep an eye on whether the figures are trailing or forward-looking. Forward multiples incorporate analyst expectations and can change as estimates update. If earnings are negative, PE may not be meaningful, so EV/EBITDA or PS often become more relevant. Also consider the nature of the sector. Capital-light software firms typically carry higher multiples, while asset-heavy industries may sit lower, so context is crucial. Use this snapshot as a starting point for deeper research. The valuation or ratings quant section helps you quickly gauge where a stock stands versus its sector, spot potential mispricings, and prioritize which names deserve a closer look.